Hey guys, there's this bird in this tree, and I think there's a bird's nest in there, probably. So let's see. Flew in with a worm. Can't see it. I think he flew out. But why would he go in this tree? Unless there's a home. I don't see a home unless that includes a home. Because he flew in here with a worm. See, there's no nest unless these bunches are nests. But yeah, I have a feeling it's like nothing. Look at these pretty plants that we're gonna plant outside. Pretty. So yeah. Like, and then other birds flew by, and they didn't go in this, but one of them, the one with the worm, went in here. I took a picture when it was on my tree house. It was on my tree house over there. But it flew in here. It's super weird. And there's no nest. So that's just really super weird. But at least I got to see a bird with its worm. But yeah, it's so cute. It was on my tree house, and then it flew off because other birds were coming, and then it flew in a tree, which I don't think has a nest in, unless I'm not looking as good. Maybe it's in the other tree next to it, but that's technically the same thing. They're combined into one tree. So it's really weird. What do you think, Riggs? Riggs? What do you think? Bye, guys.